We're going to be showing how to change back checks on a grand piano. The back checks at times get worn out. As you can see here, the wear. We're going to replace this little component on the back end of a key, and we're going to show the steps that are required to remove it and then put the new one in. And one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to set it up on a jig, and we're going to take some measurements just to see what the angle is. And you'll notice that everything has been marked here, and we have the angle so that we can be very, very precise in the replacement of this component. The beginning step is we have to get the back check off the back of the key, and it's a little bit of a tight fit, and so we just use a little bit of leverage. And what I'm doing is just using the wire cutters to get a hold of the back check wire, and I'm using this metal dowel to give me a pivot point and leverage, and we simply pull the back check out. Now the back check is removed and the new one is ready to go in. There's a couple of steps that we're going to do. First, we're going to just clean up the hole. We know the approximate angle, and we just clean out the hole so that it will fit the new back check. The back check, the new one, is a little bit larger diameter. We're going to mix up some epoxy, a very, very small amount. We're not wanting to overdo this part of the process, just enough epoxy to help the back check stay very, very firm and solid. And again, just a very, very small amount of epoxy is inserted in the hole that was cleaned out. And then a small amount of epoxy is put on the fluted end of the damper wire. Excuse me, the back check wire. We put it in place. And I have a press tool that makes it easy for me to put a lot of pressure on the back check to drive it into the new hole, and also a little set screw that allows me to set the depth. And then we took a measurement before we started. The old back check was measured, and we just use our feeler gauge. There's our correct depth. Okay, now the back check is in place. We're going to check the angle, and you can see it's forward of where we want it to be. We want it back in between the two lines. So we just bend it into place. And there we have it. Okay, now the back check has been put back in place, and we've checked the angle, and now we're ready to put it back in the piano. And one of the things that's nice about doing a complete rebuild job, when the hammers have been replaced, the hammer tails have been shaped to fit the piano and the back check, and you get far better back checking when you change the back checks as well as the hammer. They should be done at the same time. Thanks for watching.